Hi, I'm Katherine Shepard, and this is Elements of Style. I'm answering all your burning style questions from Instagram and Facebook using the 5 elements of fashion feng shui. Today's question comes from Erica May Ting. Since becoming a mom, I definitely don't go out nearly as much as I used to. When I do, my party wardrobe now feels like it's meant for my pre-kid days and no longer feels right for me. Gone are my days of miniskirts and backless dresses, but when I get the opportunity to go to a party, work event, or date night with my hubby, I do want to feel confident and like my old self. What should I wear for these types of occasions? Great question, Erica. I totally hear you. There's just something about when you get a little bit older and suddenly we're not going out every night like we used to in college. It's a little bit harder to get into the groove and get dressed and feel like you are killing it for a night out with your girlfriends or a date night with your hubby. In feng shui, fire is the element of standing out in a room full of people. Fire comes through in anything statement-y and fun. So bright colors, graphic prints, or maybe a little bit of sparkle. There are tons of great tops out there that you could just throw on with a good pair of jeans, or if you want to be a little bit more dressed up, with a pair of black pants. If you do like a lot of color, I love the fire engine tone of this top, and the fact that it's sheer is actually another fiery element, and I love the statement-y sleeves. If you maybe have a little bit more of an edgy style and you like a bit of hardware, I love the beading detail on the sleeves of this top. Now, I love this top because it is super statement-y and voluminous, and it has these petals that kind of blow in the wind. This look is obviously mostly neutral with the black and white, but if you really want to add a pop of color, you can do that with your clutch or with your heels. Bright red heels are super fiery, and they are definitely going to attract a lot of attention. Now, we all have those nights where we're going out, but we just don't feel like wearing anything restricting or tight or uncomfortable in any way. And that's where dresses like this come in handy. I love the fact that it makes a fiery statement with sparkles and a voluminous shape and an uneven hem, but it basically feels like you're just wearing a sweatshirt. And you can also make an even bigger statement if you add a fun clutch, either a bright color or something super shiny like this one. I've had this one forever, and I bring it out whenever I want to make an extra fun statement. As we're heading into spring, I love the aqua color of this dress. It definitely gives it some fiery mermaid vibes. This look is definitely more for a special occasion than, say, an impromptu date night. I would wear this look to a fancy wedding or maybe my own birthday party. Now, with such a sparkly dress, I always love adding a masculine or a structured element to it, like a leather jacket or a blazer. And the white color of this blazer definitely makes it more springy as well. The only rule with fire is to really just have fun with your look. Fire gives us the permission to just make a bold statement and wear whatever makes you feel like a total rock star. Thanks so much for watching Elements of Style on Guru Hub. Now be sure to send us your fashion questions for a chance to have yours featured on the show. See you next time.